Hello students, the factors that can impact the actual rebuild time when a server with an HPE Smart Array with the Smart Array supports array controller controller supporting as the rapid rebuild technology driver failure are they are as the rebuild priority rebuild priority where the priority set for the rebuild process can impact the time it takes to complete. Higher priority rebuilds will complete faster but may also consume the more system resources. It also includes as an levels. RAID levels. A specific RAID levels can be used